Let me ask you this, guys. You think fall off the bone ribs, is that a crime? I love fall off the bone ribs. As you seen in the intro, we're gonna go ahead and do fall off the bone ribs. It's simple as simple can get, guys. Got some good, easy recipes that I've been doing. So this, I got a dangler right here. A little bit more here. We're gonna go ahead and trim that off, because if I leave this on, this will probably burn. We're gonna just knock it off. And these guys are pretty meaty for being baby backs. So got a little bit more right here. We're gonna go ahead and knock off. All I'm looking for is if it's too thin, it's gonna burn. They did the work of removing the membrane. We'll just trim this off right here. I'm gonna go ahead and use Meat Church Holy Voodoo. I've had it in my pantry for quite a long time. So we're gonna go ahead and test this out. Just season this bad boy up. I did taste it, and it does have some sugar. If you guys have been following my channel, you guys know that I like sweet. Sweet heat, I prefer, but I like sweetness. Pat that in. Do the sides. There's no binder needed. The meat is sticky enough. They're nice and wet. And I'm adding extra because when I tasted it, it didn't have too much salt. Not on this rub anyways. I know some of his rubs can be a little salty. All right, guys, that looks pretty darn good. Let's go outside and prep the Z-Grills for this. Z-Grills is preheated at 225. So I wanted to show you guys something real quick. I got a wire brush right here. So once I clean the grill, I get some spray, some cooking spray, and then I spray it. Get yourself some paper towels. Clean the surface, guys. Check that out. Can you believe that? Look at how disgusting that is. Look at that. It's insane, right? It's getting better from the first time. And then I go one more time and that's it. Much better. And then what I do, I just close it. So if any of the fibers or any of the lint from the paper towel did get stuck on the grill, they'll burn off. All right, guys, in like 10 minutes, I'm gonna go ahead and put our baby backs, put my little Scooby snacks. So stick around, guys, I'll bring you back in 2 hours. So I wanna give a shout out to Mr. Guggen. He has an outstanding channel. He's a good dude. Last time I checked, he has 900 subs, guys. He needs 100 subs to complete his 1,000 subscribers on YouTube. I believe he has his watch hours already. So if you guys can go over there and subscribe to my brother Guggen, it would be much appreciated, guys, that you guys go support this guy to reach his milestone of 1,000 subscribers. All right, 3 hours into it, guys. Ooh-wee, look at that. Gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. This is the color that I'm looking for. Beautiful mahogany. Gorgeous. Let's go ahead and wrap these boys up. Lay down some honey. Just a little bit for some sweetness. You can put whatever you want. I got some sweet baby rays. I ran out of Uncle Steve. Something like that. And then for moisture, we're gonna add some Fireball. Just a little bit. Don't worry, The fireball, you're not gonna taste the liquor inside. It should burn off because they're gonna be in here for another 3 hours. Meat side down, just like that. A little bit more barbecue sauce. A little bit more honey. And a little bit more fireball. Feels like the baked potatoes are done. We're gonna pull these off. And the Scooby snacks, I'm gonna let them go just a little longer. So basically, to get fall off the bone ribs is just overcook the ribs. That's all it is, guys. Just overcook them. So they've been here for 3 hours in the smoker. I'm thinking 3 more hours, they should be falling off the bone. Temp wise, it should be at least 210, somewhere around that area. It's gonna be good, guys. So we will come back in 3 hours and we'll take a look at it then. Stick around, guys. So I have some good pullback already. We bring you in a little closer. So if you can move the bone from the meat, that's fall off the bone. Oh man, I cannot wait to get into this, guys. Like I was saying earlier, basically it's an overcooked piece of meat. All right, let's see what the side looks like. Oh yes, can't even pick it up because it's just falling off. Look at that color, gorgeous. All right, we're gonna put this on the tray. I'll see you guys inside. Is that a clean bone or what? Absolutely. So delish. Look at a little mini bite right there. Freaking outstanding, guys. We do have our Scooby snacks right here. Look at this. It falls apart. Gorgeous. Check this out. Look at that. See if I can turn this over without all falling apart. Oh man, check this out, guys. Are you guys looking at this? What an amazing color. Look at that, guys. Look at that sheen. Woo-wee. Very, very impressive fall off the bone rib here. Incredible, guys, incredible. So let's go ahead and tear off a piece right here. Since this is fall off the bone, man, I didn't even let it rest, guys. I just straight like that. It's gonna be warm. Get a little bit right here. Kind of smash it up. Something like this. Baked potato that I have right here. We're gonna smother this. We're gonna put it right on top. All this rib right here. Something like that. Something like that. All right, once the cheese is melted, let's dig into this bad boy. Look at this. Beautiful cheese pool. Some of that rib meat. Some of the baked potato. Cheers, guys. Man, this is delicious, guys. Potatoes are so creamy. All right, guys. Well, gracias for watching the 805 Barbecue Junkie. I'm George. Make sure you guys like and subscribe, share the video out. This was an awesome cook. I'll catch you guys next week. You guys take care. Laters.